I'm going to take another video of our AY160. We've started the restoration process. Cabinet's still in rough shape, but you can see that it's got new components in the amplifier and the selection receiver. The tubes are lit up. But these old jukeboxes, the capacitors have got to be replaced, and the mechanisms are get stove up because there's no lubrication over so many years. That was very much the case with this. It's still got a few issues, even though the mechanism has been totally removed, set on outside, motor removed, and washed out with engine degreaser. Then oiled up, the clutch actually got removed. But now we'll see how it actually does play, hopefully.
I gave my love to the boy I love, and you know, do you want to know what he did? He went around to all the schools. Yes, he told the whole doggone town. What am I gonna do? Where am I gonna go? I can't stand it here no more. And it hurts. Oh, it really hurts.
Now, fortunately, parts for our Seeburgs are readily available. So we have actually obtained all brand new glass with new silk screening, so that'll look pretty good. The original pinstriping for the side is also available, so this is going to get totally refinished with the original horizontal pinstriping. The grill will be clean, the little crowns removed. They'll have to be sprayed with some sort of chrome-looking paint. Even the kick plate down there, that old rusty thing, is going to get replaced. So we're off to a good start with our AY160.